Good morning, all. Today I am starting with this is a revision topic, getting started with the Python. So Python. So don't afraid about the you'll see the image of Python. What is Python? Python is a name after the see who have invented Python. Guru Van Rossum, the name of the person who has invented the Python language, and he has kept the name of the Python. Python, what is Python? It is this programming is as flexible as this reptile. So the name is kept accordingly, this reptile. So it is a versatile language. Python is a versatile language. So in this you can create a different type of, you can create a web page, you can create a game, you can create a any, this is a numerical Python and scientific Python, data also analyze. There are number of work you can do in a Python. So see, so this is an introduction. Python is a high level programming language. What is it? It is a high level programming language. It is a free of cost. You can download from a internet. No cost will be given for it. Freely you can download. It can be worked in a PC, laptop as well as mobile. Mobile also you can work it. So it is developed by the Guido van Rossum in Feb 1989, but it works later on. So it is invented on this year while working at the Centrum Wisdom and the Informatics and CWI, and released as an open source in a February. This is a release in this 1991, but invented in this year 1989, but it is a famous released on 1991. Now, based on the influences by the two programming language, ABC language, a teaching language created as a replacement of a basic. It is a replacement of basic programming language. Earlier it was a basic programming language. It is replaced by the Python. So Modula 3, and it is a easy to learn. Python is a very easy to learn and powerful language. It is called powerful language, object oriented programming language. It is a easy to learn. Its steps are very easy. In a single line you can do your code, and it is a powerful programming language, and as well as it is a object oriented programming language. So Python is a named idea of from the British circus. See, this person went to some where circus was going on. He has inspired by that comedy circus, and he has kept the programming name as a Python. So bete, your Rajwant Kaur, once you have enter and again you are coming. So why you are left?
Ma'am, he left.
He left, na?
Yes. Again he joined.
Okay. So Python is a very easy to understand, easy to learn, powerful. It is a powerful programming language. Easy to learn and powerful programming language, and object oriented programming language. It is a object oriented programming language, and it is a named after idea of the British comedy. This person has inspired by that circus, which is a British comedy was going on there. He has inspired, and he has kept his programming name as a Python. Python is just like a reptile, flexible language. So it is kept as a Python. So why Python? There is a question, why Python language? Number of top 39 US computer science department that use these languages to teach technology. This introductory course. This Python is a work as a top 39 US computer science department. And here in India, everywhere it is on demand. Python is a very much in a demand. So see here, you can see the graph here. Python in a top, and Java after this Java, then MATLAB and C, C++, Scheme, Stress. See the difference of the use in a language and famous of the language. So I have shown here the diagram so that you can clearly you learn about it. So different version of Python dates. See here, Python 1.0, that is a January 94, and these are the dates which Python is a launch. And different version of Python you can download it. Now 3.8 version is there that you can download in your PC or laptop that you can use now. So it is a expressive language. Python is a expressive language, means in a single line you can express your code. Expressive language means in a single line you can express your language. Int a equal to b equal 3. See, in a single line, temp is another variable, temp equal a. See, in a this is a C++ language and this is a Python. See the code difference between Python and C++. In a single line, you can write your program. You can show the number of these lines in a single line. So here it is a interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language, and completeness batteries include and emails, web page. These you can create emails, you can create web pages, databases, GUI development, network, and many more can be used. It is a capable of all these you can do in. It is a cross platform language and portable, means just I explain you, in mobile also you can run it. It is a free of course, you can download it, and it is a cross platform, means once you are writing a code in a Python can be run in any platform. Any platform means you can run in a window, you can run in a any iOS operating, different operating system that can be run. And free and open source, it is a free and open source. You can modify its code also freely. You can download from internet, you can modify its code, and you can distribute it. So it is an open source software also. And variety of usage application, number of variety of application you can use in a Python. So limitation, there is a limitation I have declared here. Not to fastest language. It is not a fastest language, but it is a capable. It is not a fastest language, lesser library. It has a lesser library than C, Java, and Perl, but not strong on type building. Not strong type building means once you have declared any variable, next line you can declare another variable that can be occupied. So that's why it is a not strong in a type building. I'll explain with the example. Declare int and later store the string. No worry. Once you have declared a variable in an integer, second time you are declaring variable as a string, that will be same variable will be declared as an integer and string. It doesn't affect and not easily convertible. You can't easily convert it. Not structure, so translating into another programming language difficult. So once you are writing this program, can't be converted in no other language. It is a very difficult to convert. It is the fourth most popular programming language. It is the fourth most popular programming language after Java, Script, HTML, CSS and SQL. So it is the most popular language. How to install a Python? That already I have explained, but Ramandeep is a new, he must be know. Pre-install into a version Linux operating system. Download. What you have to do, go open, you have to open this Python org and you have to download a Python version, that is a new version 3.8 is there, that you can download. And two mode of operation. Python can be operate in a two mode. One is a interactive mode, that is a just like a DOS prompt in a prompt mode, and Python, it is also called Python shell. And another is a script mode, that is a file extension with the py. Means just like a notepad, it will open there, you can write your program and you have to save your file with the extension name is a .py. What is .py? See, if you are making a document file, MS Word, so when you save your file, you must be saved with the file name .doc. Otherwise, it automatically takes a doc. In this case also, Python also, whatever you are giving a file name, abc.py. ABC is a file name, py is a extension name. So you can save, otherwise it will automatically include a .py in your file name. See here, this is a hand-on practical you can do here. When you install a Python 3 into 5 simple operators, what these three prompt you can see here, this is a Python prompt. Here number, what is the use of asterisk? This is a multiplication. Normal addition, multiplication, division you can do here. So directly number with the operator you can use. This can be plus, minus, multiply, divide, any operator you can use direct with the number. Then also you can include the print method. What is the use of print here? To print whatever it will calculate with the 3 into 5 will be displayed. And print hello means if you want to display a text, you must enclose in a single quotation and double quotation. Print hello means this message will be print. And a equal 20. What is a? A is a variable. What is variable? Variable can be any user defined name. There equal is a assignment name, 20 is a value, where a is a variable which is a holding a 20. Means just if you want to keep a something, you need a container. So just like a same, a is a just like a container which is a holding 20. Whatever value you assign after equal operator, that will be stored in a particular variable. Right to left assign. Remember, value not to be written in a left side. Variable must written in a left side. After equal operator, equal assignment operator, you must write a value. So right to left assignment. Print my age is A. A will be different here. See, with the message, if you want to print any message, which you have to enclose in a double quotation, here I have written print my age is this message along with the what is holding A 20. 20 will be displayed. So along with the message, you can display a value. Here 3 2 times Asterisk is applied. What is the use of this? This is a exponent. Exponent of 3. 3 exponent 3. Raise power of this. Exponent will be displayed. And you can write a print statement. Otherwise, direct it will display the output. Here 6 plus 2. Whatever 6 plus 2 into 4. This type of operator you can use, mathematical operator you can use with the direct with the Python shell or interactive mode. And here also you can include like this 6 plus, you have to make a mathematical operator with it. This is a multiplication. And also 5 minus 3 minus 3. You can also include this. So you can write like this also. This can be written like or like this. See, now I am explaining the. So here, small demo program. This can be done in a script mode. And here, open a IDLE editor. Create a program file name. This is a my file. You can create a file, my file, and see here, print hello. This is a I have written a text enclosing in a single quotation. You can write a double quotation, comma hello. This is a one line, Pooja. This is a variable, another variable one equal hello Ashok. You can write these declaring a different variable. You can write a name over here, print hello name. See here, what is the use of print hello name? Means print method will print this message along with the name one. What is name one? Which is a holding here. Any name one which is a holding this, all will be display here. Print hello name. Name 2. Name 1 and name 2 holding name 1 Ashok, name 2 Pooja will be printed here. Hello Ashok and Pooja. And here these small error is there. It is in the same line. It must be in the next line. So you can try small program. You can make a program with the now. So you have done a while loop. This Ramandeep has to be practice about this. See, these operator also you have to do practice, just like this assign a variable. See here, a equals 7. What is a? A is a variable which is a holding 7 in a. Now I have to check what is a, which type of data type is a, which type of value holding a. So I need to write a type a. Means what is the use of type a? It will display data type of this a. It will show int because it is a holding integer value. I am writing here type 99.9. Means what is the value this? This is a float value. It will display float. If I am writing type ABC, you can declare a variable, then you can identify with the type. Otherwise, direct value can be include with the single quotation, and normal number can be write directly, and value, if it is a character value, that must be included in a single and double quotation. So type it will display str. Here 5, what is it? Only 5 will be display. Here 0, 15 will be display, and it will divide by 5. 9 will be divided by 5. Answer will be display. See the difference between both the operators. This is a, it will display with the decimal value and it will remove the decimal value. It is called float division. Single forward slash, that is a division with the decimal value, and 2 times if you are applying 2 times forward slash, it is called float division with the without decimal value. It is a round off, it will round up the value, and without decimal it will display. Here A, whatever A have a value will be divided by 3. So it is also float division. Decimal will not display. Here 5 divided by 0. So it will display true and false boolean value. So A multiply equal to, this can also use, this is a multiplication with the A. A multiplication equal to means whatever A will be multiplied with the and 2 will be multiplied with the A. What is the value of A? 7. So such type of 9 module 5 means what is 9? 9 is a first. It will display the remainder after executing. And div mode also you can use. This is a remind. This is also division with the just like a division operator. 9 divided by 5 will be display with the div mode. Before using this, you need to use a import a maths in your file. Okay, I am showing with the practical. See here, I have declared A equal 7. So what is the value of A? It is a 7. When I am writing A here, it will display 7. If I am writing A divided by 5, so it will display the decimal point. See here, you can view here. It will view the decimal. If I am writing A 2 times floor division with the 5, see the difference between both. It will only display 1. You can view the see the difference here. This is normal division which will display the decimal value. It will round off it. If it become a more than 4, it will automatically round up with the 2. So floor division will not show decimal value. See, I am writing A multiply by 2. See, it is a 14. So I am writing with the A 2 times exponent with the 2. See the difference. This is a raised power of 2. Whatever, what is 7? 7, that 2 times it will multiply by 8 and it will display it. So such type of practical you can do. I want to check here. Type A. So it is a int. See the difference. If I have written a same thing I am writing here. I have written a capital A, but now I am writing with the small a. What does it? See, it will show the error. Why it is error? Because I have declared as a capital A. I am using here small a. So both will be treated as a different variable. So A is a different, small a is a different because its ASCII code is a 65 and its ASCII code is a 97. It treated as a different. So you have to keep in your mind once which variable you are declaring in which case that must be used in a same case. So how to use script mode? So script mode also you can use in a new file. Here I am writing num equal input. What is why its color is changed? Num is a variable here. Num is a variable And equal is a assignment operator. Input is a function. It is a method which will get value from you by using keyboard. Here I am writing enter the value of num. See here, I have written in a which I have enclosed in a double quotation, that must be color will be changed. And here I am writing one. This is a input function. Input function include a normal bracket, rounded bracket. So here it will treat it as a string. See the difference? I'll show you. Now same I am using another variable. I have written a num1. Now whatever I am getting value in num and num1, I am adding it. Print. See that. Why print is a which is a method or any function module that will be color will be changed. See here, variable in a different color and function in a different color, which text in a different color. So here what happens, normally whatever I am getting by input command, so this will be string type. If I am inputting here any number, I am trying to add here, so it will not calculate the value. You can see the run. You can see here, enter the value of num, means along with the text it will get the value from you. It is a waiting for value. See, I am writing here 50. So what is 50? It is a value. Now second value I am writing here 60. What happens whenever I am trying to add
Output will be 50.
both the value will be not calculated, it will display 50 and 60. See here,
Yes, ma'am.
50 and 60 is a displaying. Why it is? Because whatever will get value from a input method, that is a by default it is a string type. Are you able to view this? So now I'll make changes in my program.
Int. Int.
Wait, just wait. So here I'll write here input what it int. Before input I have to use a typecasting. What is typecasting? From one type to another type. Int. Here you have to make a bracket. Int is a function that must be enclosed in a rounded bracket. See the part. So this part, this is the inner part which is the input I am getting. This will take a string value. This value must be converted into a integer type by using int. This method. This is the outer block of int. So this bracket of int will be ended in a last. Now in a next line also I am using int. So string to number it is used to convert. It is called typecasting. From one data type to another data type, it will cast the value. Now I am running this program. So I am writing same value 50, 60. You can see the previous and current output. See, previous one, whatever I have inputted, same value I am inserting here. So it will only display the string because it become a string type. So 50 and 60 here displaying. Now next I have converted into a string to number by using int function. So see the output, it is a 110. So from one type to another type you can cast the value. Now string also, any string you can join, means if you are inputting a here, I am removing this. So you can make a command line by using triple quotation, it will not execute. So here I am removing int here. Bracket also I have to remove. Name, I am writing, enter the name. Class. See, in a response, thus I am using a plus operator. What is the plus operator here? It concatenate the value, this value and both the value will be concatenate. Concatenate means without any space, both the value will be displayed. See the output here. You can see here, this is a first value I have written a survey. Here I have written a 11th. So what happens? Without any space, the result will be displayed. It will not adding a value. Here it is a displaying a text just similar to this. This is a number, whatever I have inputted, now displaying together. Now here I have inputted a string. It is also combining together and display. Plus operator work as a treated as a concatenation, means joining a string without any space. So concatenation means joining a here number will be concatenate without any space. If I am converted into a integer, one type to another type, I have cast it with the int. So it will added a value. Here it is a same string will be converted. See the another difference I am showing you. If I am writing A equal in a double quotation 50, this work as a same, and B equal in a double quotation I am writing 60, and I am printing print A plus B. What happens? Both value will be concatenate. See here, because it become a string type. I'm not getting with the input function, but it is a convert it into a string. So बच्चे 1 minute is left. I'll take one more class, might be this week or next week, so that Ramandeep doubt will be clear. Please be on time. Tomorrow you have a class. Tomorrow also I'll give you time. Okay, it is a 1 minute, any moment it will be off.
When will the school will open?